So your mortgage will increase every single year that you own the home? Maybe. Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? My name is Sherman Milton III, aka Realtor Sherm, local real estate advisor here in the Tampa Bay market, educating you on all things real estate. So let's talk about your mortgage increasing every single year that you own the home. Now, oftentimes I get some renters in there like, hey, Sherm, I may as well rent because if I get a mortgage, if I buy a house, it's going to go up every single year. Well, guess what? You rented, same thing, and you're not building no equity, bruh. So let's talk about that. Why is my mortgage going to increase, or why may my mortgage increase every single year? So here's the thing, right? If you escrow your property taxes and your property insurance, 9 times out of 10, yes, they're going to increase every year. But let's talk about the property insurance. So every year, your property insurance is probably going to increase due to some catastrophic events that have happened. Nothing necessarily on your end, right? Unless you do have some flood claims and some claims that you made, you're probably going to increase. But especially here in the state of Florida, every single year insurance goes up because the cost of building goes up. There's a lot of things that plays into that. But how do you combat that, right? So I always tell my folks, hey, first thing you need to do is see what upgrades you can do to your home where you can get some credits, right? So if you update your roof and it's up to the new hurricane code, it has the nails, you can get impact windows, you can get hurricane shutters, you can even get a security system. And those are all things that can help lower your insurance costs depending on who your carrier is. Also tell my folks, hey, you should definitely be reshopping carriers every couple of years if you do have an increase in your property insurance, because you want to see what other carriers are out there, right, with the same or better coverage that's lower. Now, don't go and dropping your policy limits and taking things off. No, I always tell my folks, you want to be overinsured versus underinsured. Now, the next thing is your property taxes, right? So in a perfect world, your value of your home is going to increase every single year. Essentially, that's what we want to happen as homeowners because we get more equity in the home. But when your property value increases, so does your property taxes. How do we combat that, right? So I always tell my folks, hey, make sure that you file for homestead exemption on your home because it's going to do two things. A, it's going to reduce your assessed value of your home. And then B, it's going to cap a percentage on how much the municipality can increase your taxes every single year. So how does one file for homestead exemption? They just go down to their local property appraiser's website or to the office and they submit an application. It's going to ask them various questions, and then there's also some additional credits if you are like a widow or a widower, if you're disabled, if you've served in the military and you're disabled. Based on your percentage, you will get some discounts on your assessed value. So yes, if you buy a house, most likely your property and taxes are going to go up every single year. Your insurance is going to go up every single year. And if they're escrow, then your mortgage is going to go up every single year. So I'm here to keep it real with you. That's all I have for you folks. Again, Sherman Milton III, aka Realtor Sherm, and I'm out. Peace.